Hey, are you someone who has experienced evictions or maybe going through the process or again have went through it and need to know exactly what to do, how to handle this situation if it's not coming up on your credit? So here are my three things on what you need to know about evictions and how to handle them. Number one, it does not show up on your credit report. Property management and landlords, they have a different system that they use. Most property managers have it. Most loan officers can get obtain the information, and these landlords or property managers, they post it in a different system. So if you're dealing with someone or that first credit second who does credit repair and they don't see it, it's because it is not posted on your credit report, and a lot of clients do not know what to do and do not even know that. Number two, you will not be able to buy a house at all or be able to rent no longer. So when people have evictions on their credit report, when they have evictions on their report, what will typically happen is when you go to rent somewhere or if you try to buy a house, you will always get denied. There's no way around this, and you're going to forever have problems unless you handle um, what you owe or settle with the landlord. Which comes to my third point is if you do have an eviction, you will have to get in contact with the landlord or the property managers and make some type of settlement. And once that's paid in full, you should be able to move on from there to obtain a home or rent a place that you're looking for. Again, this was just something really quick, three reasons what you need to know about evictions.